Hey friends, fall is here. Today I want to share 5 zero-cost fall crafts you can make with your kids using fallen leaves. When you go out into nature with your little one, encourage your child to pick up some leaves with you. They can be of different shapes and colors. The more variety, the better. It is a great way to help them experience the change of seasons and enjoy the beauty of nature. We'll need these leaves for our fall-themed crafts, so go on a little leaf hunt and take some home with you. My daughter's still pretty little, so most of the leaves were collected by me. The idea behind these crafts is really simple. Prepare a few different shapes ahead of time by cutting out the shapes you want from some cardboard. The first one we made was a lion's head. Put double-sided tape on the back. And then stick the leaves on top. That's pretty much it. If your kid is a bit older, they can help you place the leaves in the right spots. The yellow and brown tones of the fall leaves make a perfect little bang. Next, we made one called Fall in a Truck. One of the nice things about these crafts is that we're only using the cardboard, the double-sided tape, and regular tape, so the leaves can be easily peeled off later. For example, this year, I think my daughter is still a bit young to fully understand what to do during these crafts, but next year, we can do the same activity again together. I love that these crafts can be reused and enjoyed year after year. The third one is a mask for a little masquerade. If you want it to fit your child's face, make sure to measure roughly how wide your child's face is. I just held a soft ruler near my daughter's face to get a rough idea. It doesn't need to be exact. The next one we're going to make is a little leaf bug craft. Stick some leaves onto a piece of paper using double-sided tape. And if you feel like it, you can cut out different shapes out of the leaves you collected and just have fun with it. And then draw some little legs or things that make them look like little bugs. And you're done. For the last one, we're making a leaf picture frame. Cut out a trunk shape from a piece of cardboard. Then flip it over and cover the back with clear tape, sticky side facing up. Then just press some leaves onto it however you like. No need to be perfect. And there you have it, a picture frame filled with the colors and feeling of fall.